Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Big video about this 2012 Toyota Camry SE. Look at these gorgeous wheels. She has a V6 2GR FE. Very low miles. 77,000 miles on the odometer only. And so far, I went through the whole engine and everything was fantastic. And I just discovered something what I definitely didn't see coming. I test drove the vehicle as a beginning of the detail inspection. Everything works perfectly. There are no codes in the computer. Everything runs great. Struts, front wheel bearings, brakes. Everything is cool except this one item, and it's unusual that I will see this on Toyota at 77,000 miles only. I truly believed that everything will be fantastic, but the moment I turn the corner right here, I'm like, wow, what is this mayhem? Look at this grease everywhere. And what it is? It's a, look at on the engine. The engine is absolutely dry on the top. The valve covers, if you look at it, it looks gorgeous. This vehicle is in very great shape. But there's that unfortunate situation on both CV axles. This is the outer boot and this is the inner rubber boot, and the clamps are there, I see them, but the grease is leaking from underneath and creating this disgusting situation. If you can see on the other one, now we are on driver's side again. The outer CV axle boot is fantastic, but here you can see that grease that's spraying everywhere. Look, it's on the steering dust boot. It's on the frame here in front of you. So I will say this conclusion. Well, it can happen. And if you are buying a car which seems to be perfect when you walk around, it's always worth to pay for a pre-purchase inspection. This owner has this vehicle for a long time. She had no clue this is happening. She didn't know. And opening the hood with her in the driveway and looking at the vehicle, I was like, yeah, I think I will not find anything. The car, it's gorgeous, but here it is. And why am I bringing up? Well, if you will go with a OEM, these are OEM CV axles, this will cost, if she wants to replace that, this will cost a bunch of money because the OEM CV axles are very expensive. Just the rest of it, you see, all the brakes, struts, there are no leaks, everything is peachy and fantastic. It will be basically, beside the engine oil and transmission fluid, the CV axles will be the only item which should be replaced in the future. Why it should be replaced? Well, when that grease will get out and leak out like this, there will be no lubrication and they will eventually fail. So this is what's happening. I want to show it to you. It's unusual. Normally, on a vehicle like this, these CV axles will be great. Why these ones failed, I don't know. The clamps are there. It's just slowly leaking from underneath. So I did call the dealer for those CV axles, and it's worth filming. It's very entertaining. The passenger with tax, it's approximately $600. The driver side, it's approximately 550, and the passenger is back ordered. You cannot buy it. The other one, it's from us in different warehouse, like 4 days away, the parts guy said, but the passenger back ordered, not available for purchase right now. So here you can see sometimes you cannot even purchase the Toyota stuff and you have to buy aftermarket now. If you will be willing to rebuild them, Toyota sells the boot kit. That kit has inner boot, outer boot, all the clamps, which if you count them, it should be 4. The grease, everything is in the kit, and the price, I wrote it down again, it's approximately with tax $100. So if you want to save the Toyota quality, because these CV axles are completely different quality than the aftermarket, which costs $120. If you want to save them, actually, one of them you can purchase for, I will say, arm and leg. And the other one you have to rebuild yourself, take it apart. And I tell you, that's a messy job. This is not a joke. To rebuild that CV axles, if you are not set up for it, if you just do it once or whatever, half a year or once a year, it's nasty. It's a lot of grease and it's a lot of work. So I will have to communicate this to the owner. It's unfortunate, because other than that, the vehicle is in excellent shape. I already took a sample of that automatic transmission. The fluid is dark, so I will be also recommending to deal with that. Other than that, there's no work. All the sway bar end links and tie rods and whatever bearing play and struts, everything is perfect at that 77,000 miles. And of course, there is always option to use the aftermarket CV axles, but I personally know from my own experience they don't compare the quality of the aftermarket products, which are way cheaper, maybe 3 times cheaper. Also, the quality is not up there with that OEM part. It's the same for Toyotas and it's the same for Hondas. And as I said, I didn't see this coming, but it's there, and I will have to give her some kind of idea how much it will be in the future to replace. I hope you find this video helpful and entertaining. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.